Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Jason in Oklahoma on this Cobra 29. Jason, we got it ready to go for you. We did the hi-fi transmit, wideband receive, our tune in alignment, and she's ready to go. Also did the dial-a-watt right here. Put you a 5K pot in there, so it's nice and gradual. Let's get right to it. 5-watt slug, half a watt all the way down. Roll it up. 6 watts all the way up. 50-watt slug, gonna show you average power swing first. Low 9 bird. Peak power. Low 39 peak. Let's roll it down here. About 3/4 of a watt. Hello, 3940 peak. All right, Jason, it's ready to come to you. Hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bumbo.